Hi guys, this is boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I'll show how to close our quick app on iPhone 12 or 11 or X if you want it. The first thing, I open the Twitter app. You see the dash, the long dash in the bottom, and you need to put your finger in the bottom of your screen and scroll up until it's gone. You see? It's not quick your app is still in the background, it's working. If you need to quick it, you need to repeat that step, and you need to hit your bottom screen and scroll up. You see, you pop up your apps, and you need to hit on it and scroll up, and like that you quick your app. And this video for today, I hope for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.